Welcome back!
Look out!
Ah! You got me! Send it to the stunt zone! Today, we have a stunt and style competition. Each truck will choose their own obstacles for an epic stunt-off!
This is a great tune-up for the Monster Trucks Island games!
Mega Rex go first!
Mega Rex!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh, so close, but not a winner. Mega Rex clears the crushed cars, but can't take a bite out of the trophy.
Ah, just missed it!
Oh,
Who wants next?
Me! I never miss my target.
Tiger Shark. Tiger Shark is attempting a double crushed car smash.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Slamma-jamma! Tiger Shark blasts through the crushed cars and dunks it in for a good score.
Can you top that, Demo Derby? Watch and learn. I'm stacking the cars on my jump.
Demo Derby!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Perfection! Roll it back. Demo Derby clears the car stack with epic hang time and flips in to crush the landing.
Impressive! I'm gonna try it over a spectator and smash the landing!
What?
No way!
Bone Shaker!
Okay, be careful.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Strong bones on that one. Night Shifter escapes without a tire mark. And Bone Shaker stomps the landing with a wheelie.
Ha! And I was hardly even trying! See you at the Monster Trucks Island games!
Hello, boys! You think you're the only ones who could pull epic stunts?
check this out.
RV there yes! Tankinator!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Double the cars, double the fun! Tankinator uses his weight to stay in control, while RV There Yet goes sky high for an epic fail!
The judges have spoken.
Good try, little bros! Better luck next time!
Okay, let's send it back to headquarters for an important update.
Good news! The Monster Trucks Island games are coming soon! Check out the epic stunting, racing, and smashing when the Monster Trucks go for gold inside the legendary Titan Tire Stunt Zone! Now back to the action!
This is Skull Mountain, and it's a doozy. Trucks will squeeze through the Skull Tunnel, send it down Ribcage Alley before launching over the Bone Shaker Flame, and avoiding the mismatched Boneyard before the finish. And now for our first matchup. Piranha! Tiger Shark!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh, sizzling! Piranha burns Tiger Shark off the line and turns Tiger Shark into a barbecued fish. Piranha swims into the next round.
Razor sharp.
Mega Rex!
Demo Derby. Go big, go Hot Wheels!
An upset at the finish. Mega Rex has a mega lead, but wipes out, leaving Demo Derby a clear tumble into the next round.
Drive it like it's stolen.
Five alarm.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Close one. Five alarm burns up the track with a clean fire jump. And Bigfoot grabs big air but can't stomp into the next round.
Coming in hot.
Shark Reek.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Woohoo! That was hot. Shark Reek burns out into the flames, and Bone Shaker tumbles through the boneyard for an easy win.
Thrash and smash!
And we're on to round two. Piranha! Demo Derby!
I'm swimming into the finals. Eat my fins.
I'll be eating smoked fish after you hit that fire jump.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh no! Demo Derby steals his way to the finals. Piranha gets his fins snagged on the skull tunnel, letting Demo Derby fly into the win.
Nice try, fish boy.
Five alarm! Bone Shaker!
I'm dousing these flames into the finals.
Well, I'm turning up the heat.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Hot diggity dog! Five alarm gets distracted by the fire and fizzles out, letting Bone Shaker scream into the finals with a perfect finish.
Play with my fire and you get burned.
Well, folks, this is it. Our trucks have conquered Skull Mountain, and Bone Shaker is ready to keep the Titan Cup safe at home. One part punk, one part funk. He'll go extreme to live the dream. It's Demo Derby. He's rough, he's tough, and he'll burn you up in style. Defending his home slope, it's Bone Shaker.
Well, old friend, your luck stops here. This is my house.
Make sure you get a good pic of me crossing the finish line.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
And Bone Shaker wins it all! Let's go to the tape. They're tire to tire through the Bone Alley, but Demo Derby collides with the debris in the boneyard. And Bone Shaker gives a shake, rattle, and roll into Titan Cup history.
Thrash and smash!
Well, Bone Shaker, you really crushed it out there today. how'd you do it?
No one knows Skull Mountain better than I do, so I leaned on my local knowledge to burn up the competition.
The Monster Trucks Island games are coming up. Any predictions?
I'm bringing home the Golden Titan tire. I guarantee it.
Alrighty, trucks, send it. Oh, feel the burn!
Hey, little cars, let it rip.
Carnage everywhere! They can't handle the heat! Okay, now this is out of hand! Well, that's all for today, race fans. Tune in next time to the Tournament of Titans.
Five Alarm has found the Champions Cup and won the first challenge!
I mean, I'm really the one who found the cup first.
Don't be a sore loser, Demo Swervy.
Challenge number 2 is to defeat the Roaring Rumbles and send them back to the slime where they came from. But that's easier said than done.
We need to work as a team for this challenge. Also, I found the cup first. Let's get 'em!
Why not skip the challenge and go straight for the cup?
I'll take it from here, Bone Shaker. Allow me to loop you in.
They'll never beat us.
Back to the slime with you two!
Wow! It seems like none of these trucks are a match for... Wait, what's happening?
Stop ramming our cavern!
We just redecorated.
No one can smash and roar as hard as I can!
Huh, what a bet!
Oh yeah? Watch this.
You call that smashing? Check this out.
Guys, let me show you how it's done!
I'm free!
Wow! It looks like the team's competitive side is showing up as some pretty incredible teamwork. Looks like the Roaring Rumbles aren't gonna get out of this one. Not when they have the whole team against them. It's either out of the way or back into the slime for these two.
Keep smashing, everyone!
Oh no! Mega Rax and the Champions Cup have fallen into the slime with the Roaring Rumbles!
Mega Rex!
No!
Well, I think it's safe to say that Mega Rax is the winner of round 2!
But hold on a minute. How are we supposed to get the cup now? It's in the slime.
Well, lucky for you, I happen to have a spare cup. But it's at the top of the mountain, so it looks like it's on for round 3.
I can get to the top of the mountain in no time.
Piece of cake.
Things are never as simple as they seem on Monster Truck Island. Gotta go!
What is that?
If you're gonna make it to the top of the mountain, you'll have to make it past this chomping Mega Rex first!
Challenge accepted.
Welcome to the Valley of Fallen Trees. Our monster trucks are exploring the backwoods.
Have you ever heard the legend of Bigfoot? No crazy campfire stories today. They say one stomp from Bigfoot and trees fall over.
Hey, y'all. Welcome to my stomping grounds. I made this course with my bare tires.
We're racing for the Titan Cup.
Let's roll!
I think he means let's go. And now for our first matchup.
Demo Derby.
Rhinomite.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Demo Derby steals one. Rhinomite is leading through the tunnel and over the bridge, but wipes out before the finish. Demo Derby sneaks into the next round.
Drive it like you stole it.
Racing. Loco Punk.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Whoa! Fast one! Both trucks start strong, but Loco Punk derails inside the tree tunnel, letting Race Ace grab a big air over the bridge and tumble over the finish line.
Challenge accepted.
Motosaurus.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Down goes Tiger Shark. The untamed predator loses its fins on the bridge. Motosaurus gets a spiky bounce over the finish.
That was Dynamite.
Torque Terror.
Dairy Delivery.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
What a race! Dairy Delivery holds an early lead, but spills his milk over the bridge, letting Torque Terror dance onto the next round in style.
Pump up the slop.
Roger Dodger.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
What a comeback! Roger Dodger holds off Bigfoot, but trips on the bridge and falls short. Bigfoot dances around the wreckage and into the next round.
Can't stop the stomp.
Mega Rex. Oh, y'all!
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Mega Rex wins! Both trucks are looking good, but Mega Rex loses it before the finish, and Ho-Yo bumps him across the line for the win!
Wreck and roar!
Pure muscle!
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Oh no! Look out! Pure Muscle misses leg day and trips into Tree Stump Canyon. Bone Shaker takes a hard ricochet over the finish and on to round 2.
Thrash and smash.
5 alarm. Piranha.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
A tremendous finish. Both trucks are in perfect sync the whole way down. Look at those flips. But Piranha chews firewood, and 5 Alarm saves his race.
Coming in hot.
And we're on to round 2.
Hey, Race Ace, think you can jump the bridge?
Challenge accepted. And I'll beat you to the finish.
Demo Derby versus Racing.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
A photo finish. Race Ace holds the lead through the tunnel, but Demo Derby makes up ground. Race Ace gets 4 wheels over the finish line first and is on to the semis by a twig.
Woo! Great race!
Don't be a dinosaur loser when I win.
Yeah, right. Eat my sawdust.
Motosaurus versus Tour Terror.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Oh no! Motosaurus trips on its spikes and crashes into the log piles. And Tour Terror showboats into the semis with a stylish finish stunt.
Pump up the slap. When I come a-stomping, big trees fall hard.
Mega Rex Stomp Big 2!
Bigfoot versus Mega Rex.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Ouch! Mega Rex goes belly up in the tunnel and wipes out of the tournament. Bigfoot gets big air and flips home for the win.
Can't stop the stomp.
Remember, only you can prevent forest fires.
I know. That's literally my job.
Bone Shaker versus 5-Arm.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Bone Shaker takes it. 5-Alarm is stumped by the rickety bridge and skids short of the finish. Bone Shaker screams into the semis and takes a bow in front of the crowd.
Dash and smash.
On to the semifinals. Time to spruce up the competition.
Let's see how they handle this.
You may be fast, but I'm the fastest fast.
But if you go too fast, you may crash and end up last, you know?
Race Ace versus Tour Terror.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Logs everywhere. Both trucks smash through the booby trap, but Tour Terror loses too much speed. Race Ace kicks it into overdrive and flies into the finals.
You can't stop this.
It's so nice to be out here amongst the trees and nature.
Yes, what a lovely place for a Bone Shaker victory.
Bigfoot versus Bone Shaker.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Knock on wood. Bigfoot crushes through the log stacks and chops wood all the way to the finals. Bone Shaker tumbles to a halt like a compost bin.
Can't stop the stomp.
Uh-oh is right. Bigfoot stomped at the rickety bridge. How are they going to finish the race? It's time for the championship. He's the ultimate daredevil who always goes big and never goes home. Race Ace. It's not a rumble. That's not a tumble. It's the living legend himself, Bigfoot. Go. Can he? Yes! Bigfoot wins! He takes an early lead into the tunnel and kicks Race Ace into the canyon. Bigfoot tiptoes over the finish line and stomps into the Titan Cup.
Can't stop the stomp. Oh, yeah.
Hey there, Bigfoot. You really crushed it out there today.
I feel right at home in these backwoods, so I used my big stomps to my advantage and crushed it for the win.
Well, that's all for today, race fans. Tune in next time to the Tournament of Titans.
Here at Labs Unlimited, we love tracks that challenge our cars.
And today's build does just that with a series of epic obstacles.
Hey, I'm Jabari.
And I'm Chloe.
Welcome back to Hot Wheels Labs Unlimited,
where today's track builders are standing by.
Hi, I'm Tyler, and this is my little brother Barrett. We built this track for the Obstacle Course Challenge. Let's see which car can make it to the end. Let's go!
Ready, set, build!
the track our competitors will face today.
This course is packed with creative obstacles.
Each more challenging than the one before it.
The fastest car to pass through the red barricade and land in the catch bucket will be the obstacle course champion. And the first car up is Clear Speeder.
Go, Clear Speeder, go!
It's going so fast. Oh!
Oh, I thought it was gonna make it further than that.
Clear Speeder made it through the Hall of Loops, but crashed in the U-turn.
Clearly it wasn't speedy enough.
Next up, Night Dragon. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh, crashes right on the way out of the dinosaur jungle.
That run is dragging me down.
Let's see if Pixel Shaker can shake things up.
Pixel Shaker makes it over the monster truck bridge.
Aw, but it glitches out in the Hall of Loops.
Let's see what happened in those loops.
Ooh, it gets jammed by a ball. Tough break.
Scuba de Fuego is up next. 3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa, it blasts through the first few obstacles, no problem.
Ooh, Scuba de Fuego is Scuba on fire!
Yeah! Launches up the surfboard.
Oh, but it doesn't seem to make it over the big rig jump. Solid effort there.
That's one of the biggest jumps we've seen on Labs Unlimited.
There are 15 large cars between the posts.
And this obstacle's taken down more of our competitors today.
Big Rig failed here earlier and was added to the Big Rig pileup.
Steer Clear had a solid run, but met its Matador.
Hotweiler went barking up the wrong tree and ate it at the jump.
And it's also where Cloak and Dagger lost its swagger.
Let's see if our next car can make it past this massive Big Rig jump. 3, 2, 1, go! HW Warp Speeder gets through the Dino Jungle.
It's going so fast!
Wow! It launches up the surfboard and it lands the Big Rig jump! What a leap!
Don't stop! Can't stop! Because HW Warp Speeder's still going!
Go, go, go!
Will it make it? It's climbing, climbing!
And HW Warp Speeder does it! It's the first car to complete the obstacle course challenge!
We gotta see those highlights!
HW Warp Speeder is nearly perfect out of the gate.
Whoa, it almost hit the ball in that loop, but it barrels through.
That jump was sick!
Amazing! Bear releases the cars in the avalanche.
Oh, and it dodges all of them!
It's climbing the Tower of Power.
Look how it pops a wheel on the final climb, but look how it regains its footing and finishes the run.
Go, go, go!
What an amazing run!
That puts HW Warp Speeder at the top of the leaderboard.
Now let's see if Street Wiener can cut the mustard.
Go, go, go!
It got so much speed out of that launcher.
Street Wiener blasts past the competition. That was sweet.
That was one juicy jump.
Go, go, go! That dog does not flop. Whoa!
Ooh, ooh. And Street Wiener gets crushed by the avalanche.
Ah, bummer. I thought those buns would make it to the end.
Those cars flew all over the place.
That crash was something to see.
Let's see if Clip Rod can cash in on this course. Cha-ching!
Ooh, strong start. He's clipping right along. I'm so nervous. Will it make it? Whoa!
That sleek design is paying off now. Now that's speed.
Ooh, and Clip Rod drops through the beanbag hole. Let's back that up. I want to see the exact moment where it hits the board.
Ooh, that was right on the money.
Up next, Carbonator's gonna pop the top off this competition.
Let's go! It's really gaining speed.
That's 1, 2, 3 loops. Sweet.
Here comes my favorite part. Yeah, made it!
Let's go!
Carbinator chugs past the competition at the big rig jump.
That little drink's got a lot of energy. This sprint has turned into a marathon.
Ooh, so close.
And fizzles out at the Tower of Power. Don't feel bad, Carbinator.
There are plenty of cars that didn't have the power for that tower. It's taken plenty of victims.
Mattel Dreammobile snored through most of the track, but found itself in a nightmare when it failed at the very end.
High Roller was on a roll early, but it couldn't hang on in the end.
This massive boost tower is also where we said bye-bye to Bifocal 2.
Not even the rocking Santa sled can deliver the goods.
Time for our final competitor of the day, Linster Prototype.
3, 2, 1, go! This one is usually a strong performer on our tracks. Let's see how it does.
Whoa! Here it goes through all those loops.
It blazes up the surfboard.
And rockets across the big rig jump.
Linster Prototype hits full speed in the backyard.
I can't look!
It can beat HW Warp Speeder's time.
Woohoo! All right! Linster Prototype, you are our obstacle course champion.
Whew! Let's bask in those championship moments.
What an incredible run to end that competition. Let's go!
Linster Prototype did not disappoint its fans out there.
Thanks for joining us for the Obstacle Course Challenge.
Great job, Tyler.
You too, Bear.
You're both expert track builders. This is Hot Wheels Labs Unlimited.
What will you build next?
The possibilities are unlimited.
Welcome back. We're live from Race Ace's Daredevil Arena.
Woo! Do I have a challenge for y'all? We'll be hitting this big air jump over 3 different obstacles. Starting with the Daredevil long jump. You'll need serious hang time to clear these crushed cars.
Looks safe enough. Let's race.
And now for our first matchup.
Dino Derby.
Dynamite.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
And we're off. Demo Derby stunts before the stunt and crashes out early. Rhino-Mike clears the crush car long jump and spikes it home for the win.
Horns up.
Scorpedo. Shark Reek.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Yowzers, that's gotta sting! Shark Reek comes up short on the long jump and splashes out. Scorpedo barely clears the gap and rolls into the next round.
King of the Sting.
Shaker.
Daring Delivery.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Epic hang time! Wow! Boat Shaker takes flight and soars into the next round with a perfect stunt. Daring Delivery misses the memo and crashes out of the tournament.
Thrash and smash.
5 alarm.
Torque Terror. Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Sound the sirens! 5 alarm launches into the next round after that epic jump. Torque Terror falls way short and makes a crushed car sandwich.
Coming in hot.
Mega Rex. Invader.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Whoa! Who won? Mega-Wrex takes it by a tail. Both trucks get massive air and clear the long jump stunt, but Mega-Wrex crosses the line first and scratches out the win.
Wreck and roar!
Race Ace! Radical Racer!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Whoa! Look out! Race Ace stops to sign autographs before stopping home to win on 4 wheels. Radical Racer is sent back to the gutter.
Yeah! Challenge accepted!
All y'all!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
That was wild! All y'all takes a lead through the air, but takes a hard bounce into the finish sign, which lets Tiger Shark tiptoe past him for the win.
Fear the frenzy!
Motosaurus!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Doink! Bigfoot grabs huge air off the jump, but can't carry the distance and bricks it off the cliff. Motosaurus just needs to spike the landing to move on.
That was dynamite!
And we're on to round 2.
I'm spiking you out of here. Not if my stinger gets you first.
Scorpedo! Rhinomite!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Wowzers! Rhinomite veers off course coming off the jump and stampedes out of the arena. Where's he going? Scorpedo flies like a torpedo into the semifinals.
Stinger to win it.
Bone Shaker! 5 alarm!
I have a surprise! Are you ready?
Of course! I'm always prepared.
Kill the lights!
This is going to be great!
I love these new trucks! Let's glow!
This is lit!
Lights on! Very funny, monster trucks!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
A moto finish! Let's see! 5 Alarm wins by a tire. Both trucks race a perfect stunt over the crushed cars, but 5 Alarm sticks out its ladder to advance.
I lit that jump up.
Yo, there's 150 crushed cars in that jump.
Mega-Wrex can't count that high!
Race Ace! Mega-Wrex!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Holy hang time! Race Ace sends it into orbit and sticks the landing with a flippy finish. Mega-Wrex also catches some wind but drifts right at the finish.
Challenge accepted.
By my calculations, I'm winning this!
I think your math is wrong.
Motosaurus! Tiger Shark!
Go big, go Hot
Boom!
Wheels!
Motosaurus stomps into the semifinals with an earth-shaking jump. And it appears Tiger Shark's calculations were way off.
That was dynamite!
What's next, Race Ace?
Let's go bigger! See if y'all jump over these stacked tires.
Sweet paint job, 5-alarm. Does it make you go faster?
Haha, you'll have to find out.
5-alarm! Scorpedo!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Super stunting! 5-alarm smashes through the tire stack like a hot knife through butter and rescues his trip to the finals. Scorpedo gets a cold stinger and bails out.
Glowing and hot.
I invented first place.
Let's get a fact check on that.
Race Ace! Motosaurus!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Wowzers! Motosaurus makes a mess of the tire stack with an epic smash. And Race Ace grabs the biggest stare of the day to cruise on to the finals.
Challenge accepted!
Race Ace, what's up your sleeve for the championship?
I saved the most daring stunt for last, the Ring of Fire.
Someone call for help! This truck is burning up the competition, one Titan Cup at a time. Give it up for 5-alarm! He's the ultimate daredevil who always goes big and never goes home. Make some noise for the hometown hero, Race Ace!
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Race Ace wins the Titan Cup! 5-alarm gets massive hang time, but misses the finish. Race Ace launches at the perfect angle. It glides through the ring of fire and stops it home in front of his adoring fans.
Yes! Never a doubt.
You really crushed it out there today. How'd you do it?
Oh, it was easy. I've been practicing these stunts for weeks. I just had to execute the game plan.
Let's go! Well, that's all for today, race fans. Tune in next time to the Tournament of Titans.
Launching in T-minus 3, 2, 1.
New news! I'm back here with astronaut Gwen Cosmic. Gwen, what can you tell us about the race to outer space?
Fellow citizens, I have hidden a blue power rocket somewhere in the city. Whoever finds that blue power rocket will power this rocket into outer space with me. Space travel isn't easy, but with hard work and dedication, you too can become an astronaut.
Inspirational words from our resident astronaut. The race to outer space begins in
3, 2, 1, race! Blue car, blue car, blue car. Blue car. Gotta find the car.
Oh man, that blue power rocket could be anywhere. I gotta find it.
From outer space, I can cover the entire planet with my toxic slime.
I got a gut feeling that blue power rocket is around here somewhere. Hey, whoa! Where'd that scorpion come from? Nothing I can't handle. Hello, power rocket. Ah, wait a minute. That is not a power rocket. Ah, shucks. That scorpion threw me for a loop. Guess I'll try somewhere else.
I order you to jump every car in Hot Wheels City until you find that blue power rocket.
I bet it's hiding here at the stunt garage. Hey, Power Rocket, I know you're in there. I'm gonna find you. Not up here. Not here either. Well, I guess I could use some more gas after all that stunting. Goop, 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 goop. Yeah, that's the stuff.
A color-shifting power rocket? I know just the place for you. If this power rocket turns blue, I'll be able to cover the planet in toxic slime. Oh, no, not the orange one. Oh, let's just get the rest of this over with. Still not blue. What a waste. No matter. I still have one more trick up my sleeve.
Hey, Sophia. Any luck finding the blue power rocket?
Nope, but I could use some gas and a tune-up. Me too. You know a good spot? I know the best spot in town. Follow me. Glug, 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 glug. Oh, yeah.
Don't mind if I do. Fill her up. Glug, 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 glug. Oh, yeah. That is nice.
Best for last. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Next stop, the auto shop. Hey, maybe the power rocket's in the auto shop. No power rocket here. Woo!
Hold on, let me take a look. Whoa! What just happened? It's a toxic gorilla! This guy just never quits.
I got you, Chase. You're mine, you giant monkey. 3, 2, 1, launch! Be gone, gorilla.
That was nuts!
Hey, look! A blue car! This is a Dreamobile, not a power rocket.
We gotta find that blue power rocket.
Maybe we should check downtown. Good idea. Let's go.
Use your Robo Viper powers to take me to that blue power rocket. Yes, we're almost there. I can smell it. Well, I mean, you can smell it because you're a snake and, you know. Yes, we're getting closer. Oh, yes. Thanks to you, Robo Viper, the whole world will be covered in toxic slime. Robo Snake, meet my toxic snake. Boys, no fighting. You know I don't play favorites. And then the slime. No one will dare find you in here.
Maybe it's time to call it quits. There it is!
The blue power rocket!
Oh no! Draven got to it first!
Come on, let's go! We gotta get it from Draven.
Ha! We got you, Draven.
Dang it. You know, perhaps my laugh is too loud.
We're coming for that power rocket, Draven.
Oh, are you? Well, good luck taking down my toxic snake.
We'll show you, big jerk. Whoops.
Hit it harder, Chase.
Now I'm stuck too.
Nice try, Chase.
What are we gonna do? Hey, put me down. Get your weird leather head off of me. Sophia, help. He's gonna slime me. Look, here comes the slime. I'm coming, Matt. I'm stuck. I can barely move. Time to take the snake down once and for all.
No, no, no!
Yahoo! I'm free! You did it, Sophia!
Oh, why can't evil win just for once?
Wahoo! We did it!
Thanks for saving us back there, Sophia.
I thought we was toast. Come on, we gotta get the blue power rocket to Quinn. Hot Wheel City, it is my honor to announce the winner. Congratulations, Sophia Speed. Thanks, everyone. But believe it or not, I don't deserve this as much as Draven does. Draven? What did she
Let me up! Move! Out of my way! Move it! I get to talk now. I'm a little surprised, sure, but I definitely deserve it more than Sophia.
You don't belong up there.
Hold on. I did find the power rocket first, after all. All right, then. I'm gonna go launch into space now. Definitely not going to do anything evil.
What did you just say?
Oh, nothing. Send me to space. I've got big plans. Well, okay. Not bad. That's fast. What's happening? I don't like this. I don't want to go to space anymore. It's overrated.
New news! Draven wins the race to find the power rocket. But will he ever make it out of the space simulator? Stay tuned to New News as the situation develops. Super Rocket Blast-Off set comes with one car. All other car sets and track each sold separately. Adults assemble. Color reveal cars available summer 2021.
Demo Derby takes a big lead over.
It's moving so fast I can barely keep